Your friend Kenny steam cleaning service for the Fargo area. Everyone knows that carpets and upholstery are big collectors of dust, germs, pollution, and embedded soil. Don't worry. We are the professional carpet cleaning experts in residential and commercial properties. We are able to take care of your carpet and upholstery cleaning needs of your whole house. Kenny Steam Cleaning in Fargo, North Dakota, uses only the finest environmentally friendly cleaning agents that allow carpets to be clean and residue-free. Best of all, we give loyalty discounts for referrals. Your friend Kenny Steam Cleaning is the best carpet cleaning services in the Fargo-Moorhead area. We are the industry carpet cleaning experts. We utilize hot water extraction for residential carpet cleaning. Everyone will love the fresh, clean carpet, and will want to be on the floor rather than the sofa. Contact us today at 701-715-2046. We will clean the crap out of your carpets. Your friend Kenny Steam Cleaning. Call us today at 701-715-2046. Once again, that was 701-715-2046. Call today 701-715-2046. Call now. 701-715-2046.